Alright, so I just got this item from AliExpress. So basically this is the Boya microphone, kind of like a mini lavalier mic for me to use when using my Rode microphone. So I want to be able to like attach it so that instead of fixing this on my chest, I can be fixing that other smaller one from the Boya mic. So let me open it up and let's see. All right, so this is the carton right here. Boya, this is the carton right here. Boya Lavalier microphone. Let's see what is inside. Okay, so this is just the bag, and these are the other things inside. Okay, is there any other thing inside? Alright, so this is the Boya Lavalier mic, and so it just came with this long cable and this other one. So this one right here is what I'm going to fix on my microphone. I think the cable is quite long, and this other one here is what I'll be pinning to my shirts. Or let me open so that I can see it more clearly. So let's take a look at the carton once again and see how it is. So this is it. This one goes to the microphone and this one goes to the shirt. Grab something inside here. So this is the battery, and this is what you use to pin it to your shirts. And this is the microphone cover. So that's like facing it to this one. All right, so this is where you put the battery, and then we can now cover it up. So when everything is set, it should look something like this. This is the microphone, and then this is the cable. So this cable goes to, so this microphone is like this, so it's quite heavy. So instead of clipping this one directly to your shirt, you want to use this Boya portable lavalier mic. So, and to do that, you just put it inside this pot here. So something like this, I've put it inside, and then I'll loosen this one. I'll clip to my shirts, and I will loosen this other cable, so that irrespective of wherever this one is, you can still do the work. All right, so that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching.